A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, that is basic geometrical ideas, and we are going to do one interesting topic, that is quadrilateral. A simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. That means a simple closed figure made up of how many line segments? 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. So here we are having one quadrilateral, that is ABCD. A quadrilateral ABCD has 4 vertices, that is A, B, C and D. Vertices, as we know that the common joining points. So here in the quadrilateral ABCD we are having 4 vertices A, B, C and D. In the same way it is having 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Now it is also having 4 angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And now next we are having one new term, that is diagonal. So quadrilateral is having 2 diagonal. Now what is diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment which is joining the 2 opposite vertices. Suppose we are going to join the vertex A with vertex C. So the line segment AC is known as diagonal. In the same way, if we are going to join the vertex B with vertex D, so the line segment BD is also known as diagonal. So there are 2 diagonals in a quadrilateral, that is AC and BD. So quadrilateral is having 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. So now the next definition is, that is adjacent sides. So now what are adjacent sides? 2 sides of a quadrilateral which have common endpoint are called its adjacent sides. It means the 2 sides of quadrilateral which have one common endpoint, that is known as adjacent sides. So if we look in a quadrilateral, there are 4 pairs of adjacent sides, that is AB, BC, because they are having the common endpoint, that is B. Second pair is BC, CD. Third pair is CD, DA. Fourth pair is DA and AB. So children, I have done 2 different colors here to specify the 2 pairs of quadrilateral, that is AB and BC and CD and DA. In the same way, you can also do the different color for the other 2 pairs. So now, next definition is opposite sides. 2 sides of a quadrilateral which do not have a common endpoint are called its opposite sides. That means the 2 sides of quadrilateral which are not having any common endpoint, that are known as opposite sides. So in a quadrilateral, again ABCD, we are having how many pairs? That is 2 pairs of opposite side, AB and DC. Second pair is AD and BC. So children, kindly look here. I have done again 2 different colors to specify the opposite side, AB and DC, as they don't have any common endpoint. Similarly BC and AD, that means they are not having any common endpoint. So these are the 2 pairs of opposite sides in a quadrilateral ABCD. So now the next definition is adjacent angles. 2 angles of a quadrilateral having a common side are called its adjacent angles. It means when we are going to take the 2 angles of a quadrilateral and they are having one common side between them, they are known as adjacent angles. So here again we are having the same quadrilateral ABCD and there are 4 pairs of adjacent angles. First pair is A and B. Second is B and C, third is C and D and fourth one is D and A. So children, again I have choose 2 colors to specify the adjacent angles. So here I have done green color for the first pair, that is A and B, and red color for the second pair, that is C and D. In the same way, you can use the different colors to specify B and C angle, that means the first pair of adjacent angles, and similarly for D and angle A. So now the next one is opposite angles. So now what are opposite angles? Two angles of a quadrilateral which are not adjacent angles are known as the opposite angles. It means the two angles of a quadrilateral which are not having any common side between them, they are known as opposite angles. So here we are again having the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So here angle A and angle C, they are not having any common side between them. So it is the first pair of opposite angles. Similarly, angle B and angle D, that is the second pair of opposite angle. So here I have again choose two colors for specifying the different pairs of opposite angles. So here we are having two pairs, angle A and angle C, and angle B and angle D. So children, now we are having one question. First of all, draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonal. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or the exterior of the quadrilateral? That means we are going to do first of all the rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. So I have done one rough sketch of quadrilateral P, Q, R and S. Then you have to draw its diagonal. Diagonal means you have to join the opposite vertices. So I have joined the vertex R with P and the vertex S with Q. So name them. It means PR and QS are the diagonals. Now, is the meeting point of the diagonal? So, both the diagonals are meeting at point M. So, they are asking whether it is lying in the interior or the exterior of the quadrilateral. So, children, as you people are seeing that it lies in the interior. So, we can write the diagonals will meet in the interior of the quadrilateral. So, I hope children you have understood the concept. Thank you.